Introducing the innovative EasyWax Roll-On Kit from VEET. Put the cartridge inside the applicator and plug it in to heat up the wax. In 30 minutes, it's ready to use. While plugged into the dock, the wax is kept at the perfect temperature. Once the applicator is removed, the wax stays warm for 15 minutes. Apply a thin and even coat of wax from top to bottom in the direction of the hair. Lay one of the cotton strips onto the wax and apply pressure repeatedly in the direction of hair growth. Quickly pull off the strip in one swift upward movement. Finally, apply a finishing wipe to the skin for perfectly smooth results. Professional results at home, made easy. And refills are available. EasyWax from VEET really is an innovation in home waxing. Try it for yourself. New EasyWax Roll-On Kit from VEET. Professional salon quality results at home, made easy.